Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to travel with pets on Flair Airlines. Here are the steps to travel with pets on Flair Airlines using the Flair Airlines web app. The first thing to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. Then, once you're in, scroll to the top of the page in the top menu where you have travel info. Then head over to the option that says travel with pets. If you find the option pets in cabin, now click on pets in cabin. Once you do that, you will be taken to this page where you can review the traveling with pets or the pet in cabin policy. So you can review the pet travel policy, including pet fees, size restrictions, and types of pets allowed. So once you have reviewed all of these information, you can now go to book a trip with your pet, or you can just click on add a pet to your booking, whichever one you want to choose. So let's say you have placed a booking and you want to add a pet to your booking. Go ahead and click on add a pet to your booking. And that's going to take you to this page where you can now select the booking. All right, so enter the reservation number and the surname for that particular flight and click on find my trip. And once you click on find my trip, it's going to take you to that booking. So click on that and it's going to take you to the order details page or the booking details page. So in there, find an option that allows you to add pets in cabin, and just follow the necessary steps required to add the pets in cabin. So this is for you. This is for adding the pet to, that's for adding the pet to an existing booking. But let's say you want to book a trip with your pet. Click on that and start the process afresh. Okay, so enter your destination from here. You're going to have to enter your destination from where? Select that. So let's say I'm traveling from Edmonton and I'm going to Toronto, and select your departure date and your return date and the passenger as well, just me, and click on confirm. Click on search flights. Then once you're here, you have to select your flight to show prices from, and that's it. And I'm going to my return flight. I want to choose my return flight. I'm using the basic bundle and click on continue. So I have confirmed my personal information and I click on continue. That takes me here where you can now click on bring a special item. So select a carry-on and bring a special item. Now click on bring a special item and select pets in cabin. So pets in cabin per person. And once you do that, go ahead and click on next flight. Now once you click on next flight, that's it. This amount is definitely going to be added to your overall amount. So that's the amount. It's card Canadian dollars 82.95 per person. So this is how you can now add during the booking process. That's pretty much it. So go back to tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.